सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Many of you are asking question number 22 and many of you have done wrong, so I have done for you. Check this and try to understand. At first you see the angle Z. Z angle is in angle PON. So Z we can write angle MOQ is equal to Z, vertically opposite angle. Since we are reading this chapter, so we have to use the concept of this chapter. Now you see RS is a straight line. Okay, we will use the concept of straight line. See angle Y, angle X and angle Z. What are the relation among them? Let us see in solution. Check. Since two angles are given in ratio and one angle is in degree, so we will make the angle constant by taking any of the variables. So we will take A. X is equal to 1A and Y is equal to 2A. Third line, RS is a straight line. Check RS, straight line. What I have told you, angle Z is equal to angle MOQ, vertically opposite angle, and the value of Z is given 90. So RS is a straight line. On RS three angles are made, angle Y, angle MOQ and angle X. All three we will plus and we will write 180 degree angles made on straight line. Put the value of Y 2A, put the value of MOQ 90 degree, put the value of angle X 1A. 2A plus 1A, 3A plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3A is equal to 90 degree. So A is equal to 90 by 3, 30 degree. So what is the value of X? 1A, so 30. What is the value of Y? 2A, so 60. Like this you can solve this question very easily. Okay, once more you see the question. Clear? Now we are going to start the new exercise based on parallel lines. Total questions are based on parallel lines, so you have to understand the relation and what is parallel line at first. Okay, parallel lines definition is here. Two straight lines are said to be parallel if they do not meet anywhere. Okay, if they do not meet anywhere means they will not intersect each other, no matter how long you produce them. Okay, so whenever two straight lines are cut by a transversal, now what is transversal? If two straight line is there and one line will cut both the line, then the line is said to be transversal. Okay, and in that 8 angles are made. How many angles are made? 8 angles are made. Some angles are made inside, some angles are made outside the line. Okay, see number 1, interior and exterior alternate angles. Alternate means one after another. Okay, alternate days means Monday, not Tuesday, then Wednesday, like that. Alternate number 1, not 2, then 3. Alternate. Okay, interior, how many angles are interior at first? 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Okay, so interior alternate, first you check interior alternate, angle 3 and angle 6. Check nicely, angle 3 and angle 6 are known as interior alternate angles. Similarly 4 and 5 are known as interior alternate angles. Then is okay. Then exterior, how many angles are exterior? 4, 1, check in the up, 1, 2, in the down, 7, 8. 4 angles are exterior. Now we have to read exterior alternate. So 1 and 8 are exterior alternate. In the bracket you can check. 2 and 7 are exterior alternate. In the bracket you can check. Okay, like this one number we have done. Now check corresponding angles are equal. Number 2, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding, one hint I am giving you, correspondings are always made on same side of transversal. Okay, corresponding angles are made on same side of transversal. Now check the position, angle 1 and angle 5. Can you mark it? Where is 1 and where is 5? Okay, 1 is outside the line, 5 is inside the line. Check. 1 and 5 are equal. Similarly 3 and 7 are equal. One side finished. Now next side. 2 and 6 are equal. 4 and 8 are equal by the reason of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, I have told you, they are always made on same side of transversal. Okay. Now you see third, co-interior or allied. Co means some. Interior, I have told you interior, how many angles are interior? 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is the relation? Now check nicely. 3 and 5, if you will plus, how much should come? 180 degree. 3 plus 5, angle 3 plus angle 5, whenever you plus, what will come? 180 degree. Similarly angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree by the reason of co-interior or allied angles are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Clear? Now you have to revise once more what is the relation between among all the angles nicely before starting the exercise. Okay, next topic. Check condition of parallelism. In simple language I am telling you, I will give you the diagram, 2 lines and 1 transversal, and I will ask, tell me the given line is parallel or not. How will you prove that the given lines are parallel or not? So whenever you have to prove the given lines are parallel or not, check any of the following criteria will fulfill, then you can say the lines are parallel. What are these? First, a pair of alternate angles are equal. Pair of alternate angles are equal, then you can tell yes, lines are parallel. Second, corresponding angle will be equal, then also lines are parallel. Third, co-interior angles are supplementary, then also lines are parallel. Okay, these are the 3 conditions that we will discuss in exercise along with question. Okay, so now one question I am going to tell you. See that question nicely and try to recall all the relation. Okay, now check. Now angles names are here in question number 1. You have to identify among these which angles are angle 3 and angle 6. Check number 1, angle 3 and angle 6, what is the relation? Check. 3 is inside the line, 6 is also inside the line, and they are on the alternate side. So we can say it is interior alternate angle. Are you getting the point? 3 inside the line, 6 inside the line. So interior, they are not on same side, they are on alternate. So angle 3 and angle 6, which angle it is? Identify from above. Interior alternate angles. Clear? Angle 2 and angle 4, this we have not discussed there. Angle 2 and angle 4 already we have discussed. They are adjacent angles. Okay, which angles? Adjacent angles. 3 and 7. See, angle 3 and angle 7, one is inside the line, one is outside the line. So for hint, what I have told you, corresponding angles are always made on same side. So 3 and 7 are which angle? Corresponding angles. Number 4, 2 and 7. Check. 2 is exterior, 7 is exterior, they are not on same side. So angle 2 and angle 7 are exterior alternate angle. Okay, 2 and 7. 5, 4 and 6. Check. 4 inside the line, 6 inside the line. 4 and 6 are which angle? Co-interior angle or allied angles, you can tell. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, same thing. Then I will tell you 1 and 8, both are exterior alternate angle. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, same side. corresponding angle. I am talking about question number 7, 1 and 5, corresponding angle. Now 8, 1 and 4, 1 and 4, vertically opposite angle, you know it very well. Last 9 number 5 and 7, 5 and 7, they are together. Whenever two angles are together, they are known as adjacent angle. 5 and 7 are adjacent, 5 and 6 are adjacent, 6 and 8 are adjacent, 7 and 8 are adjacent. So no confusion in adjacent. Now vertically opposite 1 and 4, vertically opposite 2 and 3, vertically opposite 5 and 8, vertically opposite 6 and 7, vertically opposite. So one thing I would like to tell you, when you are going to start this exercise, you must revise all the angles, then you start the exercise. Okay, question number 1 I have told you, revise, check the relation, and after that you will start. Thank you, have a good day. Those who have not understood this, once more you watch the video. God bless you. Thank you.